guys, it's Becky here, and I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to use your Instant Youth by LiveGood. So this is a product that, it is a cosmetic product, and it comes in this little tub like this, and you are going to get so many uses out of this. So the tutorial that I'm going to do today, I've got one eye with full makeup on, and then I've got the other eye that I've just wiped out underneath my eye so that I can show you with and without makeup. Now my makeup works fantastic with this. I use a cream-based makeup and I'm not having any issues. But some people might. This is one of those things that you gotta kind of try it for yourself and figure it out as with any other cosmetic. So you get a whole tub. Less is more. Anytime that I've had somebody with the feedback that they're getting some residue or it looks chalky or white, I always have pinpointed it. 99% of the time, it's the problem of just dipping in too much, putting too much product on, or rubbing it in all the way. Okay, so I'm going to show you first on the eye that I've just taken a cloth and gently taken any makeup off underneath. And this is how much you need to use. This product is so powerful, and it's almost like a gel. So I'm just going to pat it on. And you need to leave it dry. One tip I'll tell you, don't get too close to the water line because what that can do is actually pull the eye down. And I don't like that look. All right, so here we go. I'm just gonna let you see how that one is going to dry. And you can actually start to feel it working. Takes about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, but you do want to leave it to set for, give it 2 or 3 minutes, expressionless. The longer that you can leave it like that, the better your results are going to be. I can already feel it starting to kick in. There we go. You can see it's already shrinking the bag under my eye. Now, it's very difficult to use a makeup over top of this because what can happen is especially if it's a liquid makeup, is it'll start to disrupt the bed that you've laid that on. It's not a waterproof product, so you can't go swimming. I have sweated though. I've baked in this all day and still absolutely perfect. So there you can see. There we go. Look at that. So that's the eye without the makeup on. And it just seems to me to blend right in nicely. Now I'm just going to show you, I'm going to apply a little bit on the eye that has a little bit of makeup on. So again, just the tiniest bit, you guys. Just a tiny, that's probably even too much there. Okay, same thing. I'm just going to tap it. My problem area is really right underneath, and it's it's the puffiness. For mine, hereditary. My mom had the same thing. So how do you get yours? If you're watching this, you're watching me do a tutorial, how do you get your Instant Youth? Either get in touch with me or get in touch with the person that is sending you this tutorial, and you can become a member for $9.95 a month or $99.95 for the year with LiveGood. And you can shop at the wholesale prices. Wholesale price for this is $14.95 US. And if you're not interested in that right now, you can get this at retail for $24.95. But for $9.95, you may as well get the membership, upgrade, and then also shop for all the other fantastic things. So I can already feel that kicking in. So you can see, without makeup, with makeup, works great both ways. Biggest tip I can tell you, do not use too much. You can also apply this with a flat concealer brush as well. Well, I'm very, very happy with the results on both sides. So there you go. It's as easy as that. Be patient, fool around with it a little bit. If you notice that you're getting any residue, use less, okay? Don't rub it in. It's just a simple dabbing motion. And there you go. I've got a mirror behind me. I think both eyes look fantastic. All right. Thanks, guys.
Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video by giving us a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we can upload new video.